Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching again. For those who are new, please subscribe. And this video will show you how to do this kind of box. So I will show you the step-by-step process on how to DIY this box. This is a souvenir or giveaway box which you can use for your souvenir items on your birthday party, baptismal, wedding, or any kind of parties. And I'm going to use a long folder again. So the pattern should look like this, and I will show you how to do it. And of course, we will start by removing this portion. Okay, I will start now the measuring, and I'm going to start measuring the vertical side. And usually when I'm using a folder, I'm starting from the folded one. And the dimension of the box that I'm going to make now is 3.5 length, 3.5 width, and the height is also 3.5. But since this is not a perfect square, the measurement is different. So you just have to follow how I am measuring this. So from the folded one, I am measuring 3.5. The next is 3.5 and the last is 1 inch. So that's the measurement on the lower part of the material. Then I will proceed to the upper part of the material. And the first measurement should be 1.5. And next is 3.25. Then 1 inch. Okay, I will proceed now here in the left side of the material, and the same measurement should be done. So after getting all the points, then I'm going to connect it, and I will make a line. So these are the measurements on the vertical side of the material or of the folder. Is I'm going to get the measurement of the horizontal side, and I will start from the edge of the lower part of this folder, and these are the measurements. And then on the upper part will be the same measurement, so it is 0.5 inch, then 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches, 3.5 inches, and 0.5 inch. And then after getting all the points, then I am now going to connect again. I will remove the outside part of the folder. It's not needed, it's not included in the pattern now, so I will be removing it. This portion is the cover of the box and it's in front, so I'm using a zigzag scissor just to put a little design. And now I'm going to start the cutting. So just follow which one I am cutting. You can see it in the video. And in here I'm going to put an extra ½ inch. And here I'm going to remove a little bit portion on the corner. And here, this is the top portion of the box, and this measures 1.5, so I'm also going to measure 1.5 here. Then from this line going to left, I will measure 1 inch. Also 1 inch in this side. And I will connect it to the 1.5 that I have measured earlier. So it should look like this. Then I will measure 1 inch again here so I can cut it straight. And here I will put an extra 3/4 inch. Also in this side, I measured 3/4 inch. And I'm going to cut the parts which are not needed. Okay, so this is it, guys. And also I'm going to put a window here, and then I'm also going to put an extra paper in the window. In this part, it's on the lower part of the window, so I can put the ribbon. I can paste it there. Okay guys, so this is it. The pattern of the box is this one. And now I'm going to score. I have to score only on the line. The visible lines, you have to score it. So it will help you in folding or in assembling the box. Okay, in order to lock all the sides of the box, I'm using a double-sided tape. Okay, so this is it. Our box is done, and the last one is the plastic for the window. So I'm using a plastic cover for the books and also a double-sided tape. So here is our souvenir or giveaway box. And now guys, since the sample item I will be putting inside the box is a candle, so I have to make a stand inside. So this is a small board, and I'm going to cut a circle in the middle. Okay, now it's done, guys. So I'm going to put the candle inside, and this is it. See, it's beautiful. Actually, guys, you can choose any color. If depends to your theme. If you have a theme on your party, then you can use the color of the folder, the same color of the folder. You can choose. And I'm putting just a simple decoration, a ribbon. So I'm putting it on the right side and the lower part of the window. So this is it. Here's our souvenir or giveaway box, DIY box. It's so cute. Okay, so this is now the final output. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope that you will watch again my next video.